Hey, what's up? What's good? What to do? Is it cool? What? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I am Rata K, coming at you with another video. So today's video is probably like a typical one, me doing my hair. Anyway, today's video is going to be me doing this beautiful look that I did. My hair is still wet, so it's kind of coming up here, but it's okay. I'm going to get it down. I'm going to push it down later on so that it looks really good. Just remember, when you're doing this look, you must get a lot of gel, like a lot of gel. You might probably use the whole container if you have 4C hair like me. But yeah, this is doing a sleek back on 4C hair and just getting like a few extensions. I thought this would be the same color as my dyed hair, but it doesn't seem to be. But this look looks really good. I probably took 30 minutes, which is like the shortest time I've ever done this hairstyle. Usually takes me an hour because my hair is always so stubborn. I did not blow dry my hair in this video, but I did stretch it using the braiding method. I braided my hair overnight. The next day, took off the braids and combed my hair. It gave me that stretched blowout effect, which I need it for this look so that my hair can like lay properly. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share it if you can. I hope I inspired you to just go on and play with your hair and just be your own hairstyle list. Well, let's get to the video flip. So for this look, you're going to need some gel. I use some EcoStyler gel, but you can use any other gel that you have in the house. You're going to also need a wide tooth comb to comb through that hair and a red tail comb to part those lines easily. And you're also going to need some ribbons so that you can hold your hair, and a brush so you can sleek back that hair. Also, your trusty old toothbrush so you can do those edges, and some hair mousse, but this one is an optional one. You actually don't need to have one. So yeah, let's get to it.